It's hard to pin down any one as the best part. I mean, the whole ride from start to finish, you know, from the time we got off the ground till the time the wheels touched down on landing. The whole thing was just a tremendous experience.
Attention to award. On this day, April 7th, 2016, Jack Dorshaw, against the advice of family and friends, and better judgment, strapped himself on top of a rocket-propelled ejection seat of an L-39 fighter jet. Once escaping the safety of the earth below, he flew with reckless abandon at a speed of over 500 miles per hour, pulling 6 positive G-forces and 2 negative G-forces. Feeling quite relieved by surviving outside the comfort zone of the normal human being, he expertly co-piloted the aircraft to a flawless landing. Congratulations on a job well done from the staff of Wish of a Lifetime and me, your pilot, Lieutenant Colonel. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Nicely done.